What's up, guys? It's Billy from Team Scrub Oak. We're back here with a new video. We're hunting family day. Got a good turnout. So we got me, Big Billy, and my mom on a stand. We do it every year, and we usually have pretty good luck while we're doing it. So hopefully we can carry that into this year. We're hunting Riceville branch. So of course you can see we're right down the branch. Ben just pulled in across that way. He's gonna be turning out over there. So we're gonna see what's going on. I retired the old A5, shooting the Benelli Cordoba today. My dad's shooting the Weatherby Element. Some of you guys ask what we shoot, but yeah, we're gonna see what's going on. See if we can have some luck. Pretty cool morning, so hopefully we'll be running some deer. So you guys stay tuned. Well, oh, there we go.
Good morning, you two. Saturday morning. Got Hunter, Chandler. Oh no, Jackson. Come here. Come here. Here. Come on here. Come on here. Here. Woo!
You getting in the truck?
Alright. Good morning, you two. Saturday morning. Got Hunter, Chandler. Oh no, Jackson. Come on, girl. Come here. Come here. Here. Come on here. Come on here. Here. Woo! Oh, we're going into a little cut down this morning where they ain't really been hunting a whole lot. Let's see what's gonna happen. Woo! Woo! Go in front. Gun pointed to the ground. Hi! Hi! Here we go. Here we go. Come on, girlies. Come on, girlies. Let's go walk the swamp a little bit. Come on. Them two not gonna run with all them big dogs. Get ready. What way you want to shoot? This way or that way? I got behind you. Right there. She's just a bark. Hey, gal. Yay! Hi. Yay! Say it. Say it. Say it. There they are. The puppy's working on this buck that we just jumped up. Two young dogs, about a year old. They gonna take it the right way this time. They went backwards the first time. Joe, come here, Joe.
You think you got it on camera?
I don't know. Look at it, we got another family in there. Look at that. Where's the man, big man at? Unlock it. Look at that. Truck full of youngins. That's what we like to see.
As long as I can get him start shooting.
Check the video. I go find Hunter. I left him on a stump.
She's gonna be the boot. It's probably his dog, but damn deer. I couldn't tell. I don't think I'd shoot. But what's up, guys? Back again for the second hunt. Just had a good lunch over at HB7. HB5's around the corner over here. Past 2 times I've had it, I've killed. It only took me like 12 shots a piece.
13.
I mean 13 shots between the 2 of them. But yeah, got Big Billy, Mom right there. So we're gonna see what we can do. I think 1 shot on camera last hunt. 2 deer killed just in general. But big doe pot's pretty big, so hopefully one can step out on us. You know, we can see what's going on. So I guess we'll catch you guys in a little bit. We'll cut the cameras on later. All right, dog. Get him up. Get him up. Oh my God.
Jump something now.
Yeah, that's just them screwing around.
Oh, they jump something right now.
Oh. That's awesome. I was hoping to book it right to me. That's dog hunting right there, Mom. That's it.
No, I didn't want to be in the way. I
Oh.
don't know where to go to get out of the way.
You'd have been fine.
You're fine.
I thought it was going to come running right at us.
Sound like it was at first.
You see it?
It's over there.
I see it. I see it. You shoot that side. I'll come over here. It's still in there. We got that thing surrounded or something. I caught a glimpse of it, but
I see it come out.
I just saw a flash.
I'm still not shooting. Yeah.
Or
Well, you were on the move, though.
I was up.
You both were kind of on the move.
Look up. Now.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go.
You both were kind of on the move.